struggle to flatten the COVID curve. We're getting you some breaking news from the ICMR now. The ICMR is set to start a multi-centric study to evaluate the efficacy of the BCG vaccine against COVID-19 cases in senior citizens. Some global studies have said that the BCG vaccination should be placed as part of a national vaccination policy, and that is the reason behind India's low death rates. We're joined by Sneha Mordani, who tracks the Health Ministry. Sneha, take us through the details.
Well, ICMR has now made an announcement that the study has indeed, in fact, started. There was a lot of speculation that the Indian Council of Medical Research is going to be studying the efficacy of BCG vaccine and whether there is any relation to see if this is actually reducing mortality in individuals, particularly those above the age of 60. Now the study is being started. This is being done in association with the National Institute of Research in Tuberculosis. Remember, BCG is a vaccine that is given to protect against tuberculosis in children. BCG vaccination is a part of India's national vaccination policy. There was some amount of, skepticism also initially when data initially that was released only a few months ago said that perhaps there could be a link between India's death rate and the very fact that BCG is a part of India's national vaccination policy. I remember asking this question to Dr. Ganga Khetkar, and he did say that we have to be guarded because we are getting the infection at the end of the day. But what is it that India is seeing a death rate at 2.5%? It continues to be stable. It continues to be on the decline. We are not seeing deaths like other countries have on a daily basis. The US, Brazil, in fact, are ahead of us in terms of numbers. Being, the US being a developed country and the kind of facilities that they have at their disposal, the death rate continues to be high. In fact, the global death rate is what India is way below, essentially. So what is the reason?
Right.
This is going to be extremely significant if at all there is any indication to see that BCG vaccination, which is widely used, it's inexpensive. It's been in India for more than 80 years now, given to children. If
Right.
that indeed is the reason behind India's reduced mortality rate, however, all of that is subject to study, subject to understanding, and that process is going to take a while.
Thank you, Sneha, for that comprehensive update. Now, moving to Maharashtra, with over 8,300